All right, we are jumping right in today. We've literally gone through over 500 AI tools to bring you the 9 absolute best ones that can help you launch a business right now with absolutely $0. This is it. This is your entire playbook from getting an idea all the way to making it happen. So let's get into it. And look, we have to start right here because this is the simple truth of where we're at. The point of this whole explainer isn't just to show you some neat tech, it's to arm you with the skills you need to win in a world where AI is becoming totally essential. Seriously, learning this stuff isn't optional anymore. And just to show you how serious we are, we're putting our money where our mouth is. We're actually giving away $1,000 to one of you who uses these tools to launch a real business. So yeah, you're gonna wanna pay close attention because that could literally be you. So here's the game plan. First, we'll find an idea using AI. Then we're gonna build the product instantly. After that, we'll design a slick brand, automate all the marketing, and finally, we'll streamline the operations to keep the whole thing running smoothly. It's the entire business lifecycle, all powered by AI. Okay, first things first, you need an idea. But, and this is key, not just any idea. You need to find a real, painful problem that people are actually willing to pay you to solve. This is where almost every startup gets it wrong, and it's exactly where we're gonna start. So our first tool isn't just one tool, it's a whole category, AI chatbots. I know you've heard of ChatGPT, but the real pro move is matching the right bot to the right job. Think of Gemini as your creative director. It's amazing with video and images. You can just drop a YouTube link and it'll analyze the whole thing. Claude, that's your senior software engineer. It's the smartest of the bunch, perfect for really deep thinking or writing code. Llama is all about speed. If you need an answer like right now, that's your guy. And Grok, well, Grok is your unfiltered source for answers other bots are too scared to give you. For what we're doing today, we're going to stick with the MVP, the all-around star player ChatGPT. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. We can use this for market research. You know how people love to go on Reddit and just complain about everything? Well, that's an absolute goldmine for business ideas. So we gave ChatGPT this exact prompt, telling it to go dig through Reddit and find the biggest headaches for first-time founders. And what did it find? This. The single biggest reason businesses fail is because they build something that nobody actually wants. So that's it. That's the problem we need to solve. So let's build a tool that helps founders figure out if their idea is any good before they waste their time building it. Okay, we have an idea that we know solves a real problem. Now it's time to build. And you might be thinking this is where you need a team of engineers and months of work. But nope. With these next tools, you can build a full-on software product without writing a single line of code. Tool number 2 is called Level. And let me tell you, this thing is a total game changer, especially if you're not a technical person. You just describe the app you want to build in plain English, and Level's AI just builds it for you. It's really that simple. Of course, the real magic is in the prompt you give it. You have to be super specific. We told it, build a tool to analyze business ideas and give them a grade from A to F. Now listen, it's not a magic button. The first version might have some bugs, and you'll have to chat with it to fix things. But the more detail you give the AI, the better your results will be. It's like giving instructions to a new employee. You can't be vague, you have to give them all the context. And speaking of prompts, here is a massive productivity hack. Tool number 3 is Whisper. You've probably noticed we've been speaking our prompts, not typing them. That's because most people speak about 5 times faster than they can type. Whisper just transcribes your voice into perfect text. It even cuts out all the ums and ahs for you. It's such a simple way to get things done way, way faster. Okay, so we have a product that actually works. But that's not enough, right? It also has to look legit, professional, and trustworthy. That's where our next set of tools come in to help us build a brand that people take seriously. Tool number 4 is kind of a secret weapon. It's called 21st.dev. Now, this isn't actually an AI. It's a library of incredible website designs. You see, if your site screams, "I was made by an AI," people might not trust it. So with 21st.dev, you can just find a professional design you love, copy the prompt with one click, and paste it right into Level. Boom, your site instantly looks a million times better. Next up, the logo. For this, we're using our 5th tool, Gemini's image generator. But I want to show you the process here. Our first prompt was super vague, something about dream ideas inspiring people. And, well, the result was pretty awful. This happens all the time when you're just starting out. So we iterated. We got more specific. We told it to simplify things to make it look more like an Apple logo. And this is the key to working with generative AI. It's not a one-shot deal. It's a conversation. You give it feedback, you refine your request, and you slowly guide it toward what you want. And you can see the second result is already so much better. Okay, you've built a great-looking product that solves a real problem. Awesome. Now you have to get it in front of people. This part is all about automating your marketing so you can reach your audience at scale without burning yourself out. Now, tools 6 and 7, Hagen and 11 Labs, this is where things get wild. Together, they let you create a complete digital clone of yourself. Seriously, you just record 2 minutes of video, upload it to Hagen to create the avatar, then use 11 Labs to clone your voice. After that, you can just type a script and generate an infinite number of videos of your AI twin for ads, social media, you name it. Now for our next tool, which is definitely the most technical one, N8N, and it's pronounced Nodin. This is what's called an AI orchestration tool. The best way to think about it is like the central nervous system for your whole business. It connects all your different apps and AI tools together to create these super powerful automated workflows. This is the secret to really scaling up. So, for example, you could set up a workflow where, let's say, every time you publish a new blog post, NNN sees it, automatically sends the text to Hagen, which then creates a video summary with your AI clone, and then it automatically posts that video to TikTok and Instagram, all without you lifting a finger. This is how you achieve some serious leverage. All right, we're in the home stretch. We've built the product, we've automated the marketing. Now we just need to handle the day-to-day stuff that keeps the business running like a well-oiled machine. As a founder, you're going to be in a ton of meetings. Our next tool, Granola, is an incredible app for taking notes and transcribing them. But what makes it so special is its focus on privacy. You know how other tools have a bot that visibly joins your call? Granola runs silently in the background. And this is huge. It processes everything locally on your computer, so your sensitive business info never gets sent to some company's server. And our final tool is Notebook LM from Google. Think of this as your company's own private brain. You can upload all of your business documents, your PDFs, Google Docs, everything, and it creates a personal chatbot that is an expert on your business. That means you never have to re-explain the context to a generic chatbot ever again. You can just ask it super specific questions, and it already knows all the answers. So there you have it, 9 tools to take you from a completely blank slate to a fully running AI-powered business. The technology is here, it's cheap, it's accessible. The only thing missing now is you. So the only question left is, what problem are you going to solve? Good luck!